All right, guys, welcome back to Mammoth 4Runner. The mods for the new 6th Gen 4Runner have officially began. And to start you off, I'm bringing my 5 must-have mods for the new 6th Gen 4Runner. I couldn't be more psyched on this build. I am super stoked to get it started, and I got a lot of really cool modifications in store. So this time I want to give you a quick breakdown of what I think you guys should do with your first 5 small mods of your 6th Gen 4Runner. So this is from Teton Workshop. These are made from 61 aluminum. They are Cerakoted in a black, like a matte or satin black, whatever that is. It looks sleek. So let's put these in and I'll show you exactly how easy it is. So here's my first example of what the knob looks like with Teton's cover on it. How easy is it to install these? Well, let me show you. Boom. Good job. You just installed your very first modification on your 6th Gen 4Runner. In all seriousness, this was a super easy install, such a clever idea, and wow, does it make all the difference. And while we're at it, let's make sure we don't forget this knob here, because we got one for all of them. So we're not quite done yet. We got a shifter knob. This is also from Teton Workshop. Comes in multiple colors, your choice. Obviously, I chose orange because that is my new color scheme, or should I say old color scheme, coming back from the 5th Gen into the 6th Gen build. Now you can pick any color for the most part. He's got many different options on the website. I'll put everything in the link in the description below. So how do you install the new shifter knob? It can be a little tricky. Let's do it. Now, last thing you want to do is break your brand new interior, but no need to fear. Push down. Now, after you're done pulling it off, there's going to be a little spring that you kind of feel right here. What you want to do is push that to the left towards the driver's side, and it pulls right off. So that is how you remove it. Now let's install the new Teton. Our new shifter knob. Set it down here. And what you're going to do is take your Allen key. Now with that provided Allen key, you're gonna come up here, get underneath the steering wheel. It's a bit of a tight fit. Now while you're down here, what you're gonna wanna do is tighten the top one first, and then bring up the boot, because the bottom one is the one that actually holds on the boot. So you don't wanna start tightening that one, or it could fall through and you won't have a good time getting it out. And once you lightly tighten that last little screw, this will hold into place. And there we have it. Click the button, move in the drive. It doesn't stick. Can't push the button. Put your foot on the brake, pull it, go into drive, and we can go. Now that is my first of 5 must-have mods for the new 6th Gen 4Runner. Let's go ahead and move over to number 2 of the 5 must-have mods for the new 6th Gen 4Runner.